Hello, my dear. Xin chào.
Chào.
Hello. Wow. It's nice to see you again, my
Hello
dear.
em.
It's nice to see you again. Ah, it's nice to see you again, my dear. Wow. Welcome back
Yeah.
to my class. Ah,
Hello.
oh, wow. Can you see me clearly?
Yeah.
Nice. Can you hear me well?
Yeah.
Oh, good. How are you today, my dear?
Happy.
Wow, nice. How about excited, my dear? Excited?
Yeah.
Nice. Yay. Me too, my dear. Ah, I'm excited. Oh, yes, I'm excited. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so my dear, before we go to our next lesson, we are going to pronounce again the words.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, are you ready? Fighting, my dear. Fighting. 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 Okay, nice. My dear, uh, I like the energy.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So, can you please say again the words?
Fun. Fun.
Wow, good. Next.
Yeah. Mud. Mud.
Correct. Mud. Good. Next.
Love. Love.
Ooh, good. Next.
Blue. Blue. Blue.
Good. Nice. Blood.
Blood.
Nice. Very good, my dear. Next.
Mother. Mother.
Good. Next.
Young. Young.
Could you please say it again, my dear? Young.
Young.
Ooh, nice. Next one, my dear.
Uncle. Uncle.
Ooh, good, good. Next one, my dear.
Luck. Luck.
Very good. Wow. You've improved, my dear, a lot. You've improved. You've improved a lot. Hey! Very good, my dear. Hello. Very good. Yay. I'm so proud of you, my dear. Yay. Okay, wow. Are you now ready for the next sound?
Okay.
Okay. Can you please say
Heart. R.
this one, my dear? This one.
R.
Nice. Ah,
R.
nice. So can you read the tip, my dear, to do this sound?
To produce this sound, lower your chin a little and put the back of your toe down.
Nice. Could you please say it again? Tongue.
Tall.
Very good. Could you please say produce?
Produce.
Nice. Produce.
Produce. Two.
Nice. Juice.
Two.
Nice.
Two. Produce.
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 Nice. Okay. So, my dear, you need to lower your jaw and put the back of your tongue down. Ah,
R.
nice. Ah,
R. R.
good. Very good. Okay. So can you read?
Hurt.
Nice.
Hurt.
Heart.
Heart.
Very
Heart.
good. So can you read the example?
He has a strong heart.
Very good. Next.
They drew a picture of the heart in the street.
Very good. Could you please say it again, my dear? Drew.
Drew. Drew.
Nice. Could you please say stand?
Sand. Sand.
Nice. Good. That's good, my dear. So can you read the meaning of heart? Tuk, tuk, tuk.
An organ in the chest, the pump blood, and shape that is symbol of love.
Love, love, love. Okay. Very good, my dear. Next one.
Mud. Mud.
Mm,
Mud.
good. Could you please say it again, my dear? March.
Must.
Mm,
Mud.
nice. March.
Mud.
Nice. Good. Can you read?
Is still pretty cold. Here is March.
Nice. Good. Could you please say it again? Pretty.
Pretty.
Nice. Cold.
Corn. Corn.
Nice. Cold.
Cold.
Nice. Good, my dear. Cold.
Cold.
Yes. Pretty. You, my dear. Pretty. You are pretty.
Pretty.
Yes,
Pretty.
my dear. You are pretty. You are pretty. Okay. Next one, my dear.
Bar. Bar.
Good. Bar.
Bar.
Nice. Can you read the example?
We meet at a bar for drink.
Nice. Could you please say it again, my dear? Drink.
Drinks.
Nice. Could you please say met?
Met.
Nice. Good. Correct, my dear. How about for the next?
This this look like a good bar.
Good, nice. Could you please say it again, my dear? Looks.
Looks.
Nice. Good. Because it has an S, my dear.
Yeah.
Looks.
Looks.
Nice. Very good, my dear. Next. She's
She's waiting for her boyfriend at the bar.
wow, good. That's good, my dear. Next one.
Let's go to a bar and have a few beer.
Mm,
Beers.
nice. Good, my dear. Beers.
Beers.
Nice. Good.
Beers.
Eh. Beers.
Beers.
Nice. Good job. So what's the meaning of bar?
A place where people buy and drink alcohol. Alcohol.
Good. Could you please say it again, my dear? People.
People. Yeah.
Nice. Good. Could you please say alcohol?
Alcohol.
Nice. Alcohol.
Alcohol.
Good.
Alcohol.
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 Let's practice, my dear, the L sound. La, la.
La. La.
Yes, good.
Alcohol.
Al,
Al.
alcohol.
Alcohol.
Mm,
Alcohol.
very good, my dear. Nice, good. That's correct, my dear. Wow. So next one, my dear.
Star. Star.
Good. Star.
Star.
Nice, good. So can you read?
The sun is the closest star to the it.
Good. Could you please say it again, my dear? Earth.
Earth. Earth.
Nice. Earth.
Earth. Earth.
Good. Earth.
Earth.
Good. Do you know Earth, my dear?
Earth.
Yes, my
Earth.
dear. Do you know Earth?
Yeah.
Good,
Yeah.
my dear. Good. Nice. Wow. How about for the next sentence, my dear?
You can see the star clearly tonight.
Nice. Could you please say it, my dear? Stars.
Star. Star.
Nice. Good, my dear. With S, my dear. Stars.
Stars.
Nice. Good. Could you please say clearly?
Clearly.
Good. Good, my dear. Clearly.
Clearly. Clearly.
Nice. Very good. Could you please say tonight?
Tonight.
Nice. Good. Tonight.
Tonight.
Nice. Good. Wow. How about for the next word?
Father. Father.
Nice. Good, my dear. So the example of father.
Uh, he's a good father and husband.
Good. Wow. Very good, my dear. Nice. Next one.
He loves being a father.
Ooh, another good one, my dear. Nice. Next.
My father opened a clinic.
Nice. Could you please say it again? Open.
Open,
Nice. Opened.
opened.
Nice. Very good. Okay. Next, my dear.
I live with my father and mother.
Good. Could you please say it again, my dear? With.
With
Nice. With. Good. So, my dear, can you read the definition or the meaning of father?
a man parent. Parent.
Good. Could you please say it again, my dear? Male.
Man.
Good.
Man.
Male.
Man.
Mm.
Man. Parent.
Male.
Man. Man.
Nice. Male.
Man. Man.
Nice. Could you please say parent?
Parent. Parent.
Nice. Male parent.
Man. Parent.
Good. Very good, my dear. Okay, so next one.
Star. Start.
Good.
Start.
Good. Start.
Start.
Nice.
Start.
Nice. Start.
Start.
Good. Start.
Stars.
Okay. Can you read, my dear?
The rain is about to start.
Good. Could you please say it again, my dear? Start.
Start.
Nice. Could you please say race?
Rains.
Nice. Race.
Race.
Nice. Good. That's good, my dear. Race.
Race.
Nice. Good. Next one.
They are starting a new life together.
Good. Could you please say it? Starting.
Starting.
Good. Very good. So what's the meaning of start?
To begin.
Nice. To begin.
To begin.
Nice.
Begin.
Yeah, good. Good, my dear. Very good. Okay. Wow. Let's practice, my dear. Sentence, different sentences. Hmm. Can you read? My dear, can you read the sentences?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Ready?
Okay. Ready.
Nice. Ready. Okay, for the first.
Robert is my brother.
Nice. Good. Could you please say it again, my dear? Robert.
Robert
Nice. Is.
is
Nice. Is.
is
Oh, good. Nice.
is
Brother.
brother.
Mm, wow, I like that, my dear. Good. Nice. Next, my dear.
She is his cousin. Cousin.
Nice. Could you please say it, my dear? Cousin.
Cousin.
Nice. Could you please say she?
She.
Nice. Good. Correct, my
She.
dear. She.
Is is cozy.
Wow, good. Very good. Okay, next, my dear.
Do you have an umbrella?
Good, my
Umbrella.
dear. Good. Could you please say it? Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Good. Correct, my dear. Nice. Okay. Next.
Bees make honey.
Good. Good, my dear. Next.
She took the pie out of the oven.
Good. Could you please say it? Oven.
Oven.
Good. Oven.
Oven.
Nice. Good job. Could you please say she?
She
Nice.
took
Ve-
the pie out of the oven.
Very
Oh,
good. Yay. Very good, my dear. Next.
that is a beautiful color.
Good. Again, my dear, color.
Color.
Good. Nice. Correct, my dear. Next. Ah,
Ah,
nice. Okay.
if you don't eat, you will starve.
Good. Can you please say if?
If, if,
If.
if,
Good. If.
if, if,
Good.
if,
If.
if,
Nice. Will.
rain,
Nice. Will.
rain,
Nice. Starve.
starve.
Good. Can you read this again, my dear?
If you don't eat, you will starve.
Good. Good job, my dear. Nice. Okay. Next one.
We, we should, shouldn't harm animal.
Nice. Could you please say it, my dear? Shouldn't.
Shouldn't,
Nice. Shouldn't.
shouldn't
Very good. Harm.
harm,
Harm.
harm,
Good. Ha, ha. Can you say it, my dear?
harm,
Ha. Very
harm,
good. Nice.
harm,
Harm.
harm, harm.
Good. Okay. So next, my dear.
I will start running tomorrow.
Very good. Could you please say it again? Will.
Win,
Nice.
win,
Will.
win, win,
Good. Will.
win, win,
Nice. Will.
win,
Nice.
win,
Good, my dear. Will.
win. I
Nice.
win, win,
Will.
win,
Running.
running tomorrow.
Nice. Good.
I win, start running tomorrow.
Very good. Nice. Good job, my dear. Next one.
I met an, his father.
Nice. Good. Good job, my dear. Next.
Look at the beautiful stars.
Nice. Could you please say it? Stars.
Stars.
Nice. Stars.
Stars.
Very good, my dear. Nice. Okay. Wow. So this time it's a paragraph. Nice, my dear. Can you read the paragraph?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
A young boy. A young boy and his father were coming home from a day at the farm. Suddenly their car started making some strange noise, and they had to stop. The father parked the car in the mighty car park and got out. The, the boy was scared, but his father told him everything would be okay. The father opened the whole of the car when it started raining. Luckily, they had an um, uh, um, umbrella, umbrella in the
Mm.
car, so he took it and worked the hurt head to solve the problem. The problem. The boy climbed down and enjoyed looking at the star. After a few minutes, he heard his father say, "Son, the car is fixed. Let's go. It's getting late, but we are still far from home. Mother will be worried."
Very good. Wow. Very good, my dearly. Very good, my dear me. Good job. Okay, so could you please say it again, my dear?
Yeah.
Fix.
Fixed,
Good. Fix.
fixed,
Good. Nice. Could you please say will?
will, will,
Nice. Will.
will,
Good. Could you please say soul?
soon,
Nice. Could you please say soul?
soon,
Good. Mm, mm, mm.
soon, soon,
Nice. Soul.
soon,
Nice. Very good, my dear. Could you please say scared?
care,
Nice. Scared.
care,
Very good. Could you please say uh took?
took,
Very good. Could you please say hard?
pause,
Very good. Could you please say problem?
problem,
Good. Nice. Could you please say muddy?
muddy,
Nice. Muddy.
mud,
Nice. Please say coming.
coming,
Good. Nice. Could you please say started?
starfish,
Nice. Started.
Started.
Nice. Good job, my dear. Started.
Started.
Very good. Yay. Good job, my dear me. You did great tonight, my dear. You did great tonight.
Thank you.
Yes, you were able to pronounce some words and you improved a lot. Good, my dear.
Yeah,
You
thank you.
are you are improving day by day.
Yeah. Thank
Wow. So, my dear me,
yeah.
thank you so much for your active participation.
Yeah.
Nice. And see you again on Friday.
Yeah.
Good night
Good night.
and bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, my dear. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye.
Good night.
Yay.